So, welcome to today's vlog. I'm here at a wedding in Forbes of Kingennie, Golf and Leisure. It's a beautiful place, absolutely amazing. I'm going to give you a quick guided tour around. I'm going to take you to the function room, the wedding room, show you around one of the lodges, and have a quick look around the bar area. So, come on, let's go and check this out. There's a wedding venue. Here we go, Forbes of Kingennie. And it's a set of beautiful lakes like this, surrounded by villas hidden into the trees, with a function room, bar and restaurant. Oh, first impressions here. We got here last night, checked in. Absolutely fabulous place, really nice. We had a bite to eat, couple of drinks, watched the football, all prepped for the wedding here today. So come on, let's carry on having a quick look around. Directly above me here, this is the function room where we have the meal and the speeches, and just here we have an outdoor bar area and plenty of seating, and your view is this absolutely amazing July weather here in Scotland. Got the indoor restaurant area here. You're wondering what that noise is? We have a big tank here with some salmon in. So in the bar area, we've got sports on, we've got Wimbledon showing, and we've got the England football match here tomorrow evening. And it's a lovely big bar area. And the guests have just started to filter through, arriving at today's wedding. And a lovely outdoor seating area with your view. So this is where our bride is currently getting ready with her bridesmaids. And let's go and check out the venue set up for today's wedding. It's an absolutely beautiful location, and they've got all the lakes here with fishing pegs all the way around it. People are making their way up to the golf course. So there's a nice mist there coming off the fountain, keeping everyone nice and cool. Another lake, more fishing pegs. They've got the lodges, the villas, just set into the hillside, just overlooking the lakes. And we're going to go have a quick look inside the function room now, where the wedding's taking place, and we'll have a quick look at the bar area as well. We've just set directly in front of me. On the first level there is where the function room is, and just pan to the right, and this building here, right in front, that's where the wedding ceremony is going to take place. So let's check the room out where the service will be taking place first. You should be dressed by now. Let's go inside. Look at that for a view. You've got the lake in the background, and it's beautiful, air conditioned as well in here. So I think today's wedding is set for around about 80 guests. So there you have it. That's the wedding venue room. And I've got to say, the place is really, really pet friendly. Pets in a restaurant, sitting next to people having the main meals. So there you go. There you go. So there you have it. That's pretty much a walking tour. I was going to show you the rooms in one of the villas, but the villa was absolutely packed with young bridesmaids getting ready and stuff, so it wasn't really appropriate. But if you are looking for a wedding venue and you want some beautiful backgrounds, you want a great location, the staff here are fantastic. As I can say, the food last night, we had the main meal that was given to the actual couple themselves. Absolutely delicious. Drinks are a fair price as well at the main bar. So yeah, happy days. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. If you want to like, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe bell, click that subscribe button, that's completely free, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.